In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the digital coupons at Albertsons, Vons, or Safeway. Here's an example of what those digital offers look like throughout the store. You can see that they vary. Now, before you go to the store, and maybe now as you're watching this video, make sure that the phone number used in the store, the one that you use to get your discounts, shows in the app's logged in account. A common problem many people face is that that number is not associated with the account that they're signed in on the phone. And if you have trouble adding it, this here is the For You support contact. They can help you with any issues that may arise. So I'm going to show you how to check that right now. At the app's homepage, you're going to go to Member in the lower right. You're going to select Account up top. You're going to select Personal Info, and in the phone number used in store field, this should match the number that you use to receive your discounts. If it's not there, or if it's a different number, you're going to want to add the number that you actually use. Now this is how you actually clip the coupon. So when you're in the store and you see something that you want, select Deals at the bottom middle, search for the item that you're looking for. In this case, I wrote tortillas. I found the item that I wanted. You're going to select Clip Deal. And when you see the check mark clipped in green, it was successfully clipped. Now, there were issues in the past with it. You had to take an extra step of adding it to the list, and many people didn't know that. There were a lot of cashiers that didn't know that, and it created a lot of frustration. I made a complaint video about that a while back, and it looks like they have since fixed those issues. So then when you go to checkout, enter in that mobile number at the pin pad. And before you pay, check with the cashier to make sure that you got your For You discounts. And if you didn't, then just ask to have a correction made. You're going to hold up the line, but you get enough of these coupons that can add up. So you can see in this case, this is just two, I think, of the 4 items that I got, but I saved $5.70 on those items. And you can also just confirm on the receipt too, because sometimes I forget to ask. You can confirm with that line item For You store coupon. And again, if you didn't get them, just go back to the store and management will correct it. But anyway, I hope this helps.